These are my storage shelves where I have my giant bins. They fit 2 bins deep, and a lot of my Christmas trees are stored on here. So I've pulled everything out and it's in the hallway of my basement. So I'm going to start bringing things upstairs and decorating my kitchen tree. So there's one along the side of our kitchen table, and I'm going to have to open up these bags. I always store my Christmas trees in bags just to prevent any dust buildup. So I'm going to move my side hutch here a little bit because I need a little more space for this tree, and then I'll kind of move it back once the tree is put up. My daughter and I collected these giant rocks on a walk. We have to do some crafts with them. They were hiding underneath the kitchen hutch. So I'm starting off by building the tree and starting to fluff it all out. The fun part is that this tree is a pre-lit and it's flocked as well, so it makes a terrible mess, and I'm like tippy-toeing around everywhere. My clothes end up covered in fluff and flock. It always makes such a mess, but it's one of my favorite trees to look at. So here I'm just moving the hutch so that I can work around the tree, and then I'll figure it out afterwards. But yeah, so push it in. I also have bought a new tree skirt for it. It's hanging on this chair, actually you can see it, and I think it's going to be perfect. It's the right size for the tree base, and I think the color is perfect as well. So this tree is absolutely beautiful. It's from Lowe's, I believe, yeah, and it has already all these beautiful built-in pieces, like everything is attached to the tree. So I really don't even, I put some clear ornaments, like very clear crystal little decorative pieces, but otherwise I don't touch this tree at all. I fluff it up. There are little red berries in it, flocked pine cones, and even little crystals. So I keep it very simple. It's all about the lights, and this is not a decorated with ornament type of tree. I'm setting the timer and then plugging it in to see what is going to happen here, because it's the moment of truth. Do your lights all come on? And you know, the fun part of pre-lit Christmas trees. So I'm gonna get myself in behind this hutch to plug in my little timer, and there's the first indication of lights. The fun part, plugging it all in. You know, I spent about 10 minutes plugging in all the plugs and still was not able to find one section of the tree. So I'm gonna have like one little row that's not lit. It's so, I don't know, I can't find the plug for it. I looked and looked and looked, and I keep going back and I still can't find it dangling. I've touched all the wires. Anyways, I got to vacuum up all this mess before it trails through the rest of my house. So I'm just going to suck it all up. It's a very fine flock, so either you can sweep it, or I find vacuuming is just easier so it's not floating around everywhere. Give it a good vacuum, and then I'm going to put the tree skirt on and just a couple little crystals, and I'll share with you how I decorate my side hutch as well, because I do bring out some Christmas decor and decorate the side there. So this tree skirt is 51 inches in diameter, which is perfect. I think sometimes if they're too small, then they look a little awkward. So I wanted a little bit bigger just to fill in the entire space around the base of the tree. And what do you think? Do you like the look of this? It has a bit of a silver finish, threading on it, and also like a fur, but it's not all fur and it's not all silver. I think it's just a perfect combination to go with this tree. It kind of has like that flocked, it has like a snow effect almost to go with the flocked tree. I really like it. Oh, Bear doesn't like when he wants to lie down under the tree. As soon as I put a blanket or a tree skirt, he's ready to come lie under it, and he's like, wait a second, why are you bringing the vacuum over? So I'm just gonna fluff up all the little branches until I'm happy with how they look. And then these are the little crystals that oh, not the stems, that one actually fell off, but the long crystals are the ones that I put into the tree to go with these little stems that already were attached to the tree. So as you can see, there are some pine cones and berries already all attached. I absolutely love this tree. It's just one of my favorite, and it has a nice green. So I'm going to decorate the side hutch to make it look a little more Christmassy. My painting I touched, so it's a little crooked, but I will fix it after. So bringing my hutch a little bit closer to the tree to tuck in, and now I'm just going to I purchased this Merry Christmas sign and the Santa recently at Marshall's, so I shared that in a haul with you guys. And the sleigh is from Michael's. These deer are from Marshall's, and the little concrete sign that I have in my hand is actually from a local grocery store. These silver deer are also from Marshall. So if you're looking for deer, they have a ton of beautiful deer this year. So pop into your local Marshalls. I've done some shop with me's on the channel too. If you want to take a peek at some of their decor that's available right now, you can take a look at that. So I wanted to show a close up of the tree. See how the little berries are in there and the pine cones. There's crystals.
What a feeling. Now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been
So I think I'm pretty happy. I'm sure I'll rearrange the Christmas decor on my side hutch a couple times before I'm completely satisfied. Does anyone else do that? They'll walk by and be like, nope, this doesn't belong here. I need to put something else or move it or change it up. But yeah, for now I'm happy with how it is. I'm sure it will move around a few more times before I'm completely satisfied with the look. But one little corner of my house is done, and then I will move on to another part. If you guys are interested in seeing how I decorate the front of the house, the garland on the staircase, and I have a few more trees that go up. This is only just a decorative tree. I will be happy to share those with you guys. I hope this motivates you and also gets you cleaning and decorating if you are decorating for Christmas. To get some cozy lights up, because at nighttime the lights do twinkle and make the room glow. So anyways, until next time everyone, have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.
What a feeling. Now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday.